Welcome to aminacademy.com. In Maths Olympiad, let us discuss about solving some exponential equation. Look at this example. Can you solve 8 power x plus 2 power x equal 130? Here, this is here where x is in exponential form. We can write this as 8 can be expressed as 2 cube power x and 2 power x minus 130 equal 0. Now further we can write 2 power 3 into x is 3x, 2 power x minus 130 equal 0. Here this exponential in terms of 2 power x. So let y equal 2 power x. Then the equation become y cube because 2 power 3x is 2 power x whole cube. Y cube plus y minus 130 equals 0. It's a cubic equation. Look at here. Now this 130 can be splitted 5 and 26. So further minus 5 plus 26 minus 5 plus 26 is minus 130. Further y can be written as 26y minus 25y. First, therefore, this equation can be written as y cube minus 26y minus 25y plus 26y minus 130 equals 0. Right here, minus 25y plus 26y is y. So this y can be expressed like by factorizing first two term, y is common, y square minus 25. Here 26 is common, y minus 5, because 26 into 5 is 130 equals 0. Further, we know that y square 25 can be written as 5 square. So difference of square, that is y square minus 25 square is y plus y minus 5. So y square minus 25 can be written as y plus 5 into y minus 5. Then 26 y minus 5 equals 0. Look at further. Here further factorizing, here the common factor is y minus 5. So take out that y minus 5 into y into y plus 5 plus 26 equal to 0. That means look at here y minus 5 is taken out, so y and y plus 5 is here, and 26 is taken out, y minus 5 is taken out, 26 is here. Further, here y square plus 5y plus 26 minus 26. Here it have two parts. First is y minus 5 is 0, therefore y equal to 5. Look at this side. It's a quadratic in terms of y. First we will find the discriminant. B square minus 4ac. B square is 5 square minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 26, which have negative value. If discriminant is negative value, there is no real solution. No real solution. So we ignore this. Now we'll take y equal to 5. Here y equal to 5, which means we know that y equal to, already we let 2 power x. So therefore 2 power x equal to 5. Now taking log 5 both sides, because here 2 power x equal to 5. So take log 5 both sides, that is log of base 5 here 2 power x log base 5 5. So this log of anything power x, that power x come as a front as a log rule, x into log base 5 2. We know that log 5 base 5 is 1 because base and these two things are same, means it becomes 1. Now from this x equals 1 over log base 2. For the reciprocal rule, which is further equal log base 2 5. This log base 2 5. This is called a reciprocal rule, or otherwise we can use change of base rule, that is, look at here, log base c b over log base c over a, which is equal log of base a of b. This also can write. Therefore we are having this log 5 base 2 can be expressed in terms of log 10 base, that is 10 base, in that log of 5 base 10 over log of base 10 over 2. Therefore, which is equal, by using calculator, log 5 base 10 is approximately equal 0.69897 over log 2 equal 0.30103, which is approximately equal, by using calculator, 2.322. So this, therefore log 5 base 2 is this. Log of base 2 5, which is equal or x. So we got x values. This is a solution of this equation. We can check this solution. Check. Our equation is 8 power x plus 2 power x minus 130 equal 0. Now 8 power x, that is 8 power x value is approximately 2.322. We got x value is here, then plus 2 power 2.322 minus 130 equals 0. Now here approximately 8 power 2.322 is equal to 125.02 by using calculator, and this one 2.2322 is approximately equal 5.00 minus 130, or which is equal 130.02 minus 130 is approximately equal 0. So further, if you go further digits of this calculation by using calculator, you can get approximately equals 0. So we checked, which is correct. Here we solved solving exponential equation. It is very useful in further maths. If you have done, please subscribe our YouTube channel.